Liberty Walk. Oh. Nice.
What brand is that?
Liberty Walk?
Oh, Liberty one? It's beautiful. Check all the lines.
You like it?
Yes, I like it. Imagine all the people living life in peace. Someday gonna work like that.
What do you mean?
Nice.
So that yours just came in. Somebody tried to steal his wheels,
Oh,
unfortunately. So they tried to put it back on and it wasn't sitting correct. They didn't torque it correctly. So it came here. It took us about 5 minutes to do it. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, man, people are crazy. Try to steal his wheels. That's bad. It's just people are lost their minds. Finally.
You got the power steering thing?
It's coming back to life.
How is there already a huge spider web?
Yeah, how is there a spider web? We just watched this car, no? We're putting the power steering pump in now. We had a hard time getting it because it was not available, so the guys are taking care of it. I'm gonna have this van back today. I'm carless. I need a car.
Might as well do the headlights.
Yeah.
Restore the headlights a little bit. Put a little intake in it.
Yep.
A little exhaust.
Yep. Dual valve.
Yep. 1016 body kit.
Yep. Nice intercoolers and yeah.
It's hot. Está caliente, homie. ¿Qué? ¿Quiere billete? Happy. Quiero dinero. Necesitamos comprar uniformes nuevos.
Oh, sí.
¿Cuánto quiere? ¿De 10, de 20, de 100?
It's a lot of work.
Yeah, but I try to left the lines. It's a lot of work. I don't care. It's not mine. It's not mine. Yeah, it's Alice's.
Okay.
Hey, ese vato, yeah, he gonna kick my ass if I don't make.
You don't make it right?
Yeah, he'll make it right. You know Chalice?
I think so.
Yeah,
It's coming out good.
I guess.
Like all of them. Can I see the hat for a second? I like this hat.
He looks good
You
with a
want it?
hat.
You want it? You can keep it.
He does look good with the hat.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it looks a lot younger.
He looks younger with the hat.
You put it on. Oh, you look like a scammer.
You have a baby head.
Just swell.
All right, guys, we're standing in front of this Portofino M right here. Not the biggest fan of the entry model Ferraris, like the Roma Portofino. This one, because of the color, the traditional red with that tan interior and the black top. I mean, actually, I'm kind of changing my mind a little bit. This car is a pretty nice looking car, and it is a hardtop convertible. It gets to approval from me. This thing is here for a full PPF clear bra, and it's getting a full exhaust system. The Portofino M doesn't have that many things on the market for it, so not much we could do on it except for a few items, and that's what we're going to be doing. Portofino and the Portofino M are pretty similar, but this thing has a little bit more performance-oriented things going on, so it's not going to get your crazier wheels, lowered suspension, nothing like that. It's older gentleman. He just wants that sound and that protection for his nice new Ferrari. We're going to go on this side over here. We got a full wrap job. This is Tesla actually going from white to khaki green, satin khaki green to be exact. We're going to be doing door jambs, everything. As you can see already, some of it is laid out there. Really nice looking car. We did a new Range Rover in this color a few months ago, so this is getting more popular. It is, in my opinion, the nicest. Between the green and the tans, it's nice because it has like both. It's kind of a green and tan combined. So really, really cool wrap going down over there. We have a vent and a door. This is the Aventador, obviously. We've been working on Aventadors for, what now, almost 12 years, 10 years? Right when the Aventador came out, we were doing a ton of wraps on them, wheels, and then turned into exhaust systems, body kits, all that stuff. We've taken apart hundreds and hundreds of Aventadors. Here's another one. This is not a SVJ or a S, this is a regular Aventador. This car you've probably seen on the channel because we've redone it many times. This thing now has the Aventador S front bumper. It has a full body kit, hood, not like a wide body or anything like that, but just add-on stuff. And it was wrapped in a Nardo gray color, which, as you can see, there's some pieces on here and there. And we're removing that to make it satin pearl white. This is the original color. It's actually balloon white, which is a beautiful color, but the customer wants to do a satin pearl white. So We're gonna be doing the wrap in Satin Pro White. I think we already started here on the door. Satin Pro White has like that milky finish. It's really, really nice. So we have to take the whole car apart. It's very tough to take this car apart because of all the vents it's got going on. Even this little window vent right here is super hard to take off. You got this piece, you got that piece. You have the whole rocker panel. Massive amount of parts, this car. So whenever we do wraps on these, it takes a little bit of time because there's so many things. So we'll show you guys when this car is done. Give us a few more days. But yeah, it's just gonna literally be a Satin Pro White car with carbon fiber everywhere. So keep watching. There's a bolt under here. Yes, yes. Lots of hidden bolts. That's John. He's taken apart more Aventadors than probably anybody other than the factory. So good job, John. We got an Escalade here, Cadillac Escalade. Short wheelbase, it's not the ESV long one, so it's a shorter one. Anytime these Cadillac shorter ones come in, it's a trip because they're significantly shorter and look so different. It's a little bit of a sportier version of it. This is actually a diesel engine Cadillac Escalade as well. Customer got this car brand new, has a really, really nice brown interior, and he wanted to do a full paint protection film on it, like he always does on his gloss black cars to make them satin black. So this is not a wrap, this is a PPF clear bra. It's making the factory gloss black appear satin. Blackout on everything else. And then it's got the RDB Zero Wheels in 26-inch in gloss black. So normally we do these wheels in like silver brushed or whatever. The customer likes it all stealthed out, his cars. Cadillac floating cap in the middle to match the front and back. We also added a PA system in case that stuff will move around. It has yellow and white strobe lights in the front as well. We installed iPad holders with custom wire so you could have them plugged in and powered at all times because it didn't have that. That's it on this one. We left some good gloss black accents everywhere, so it's got that really nice two-tone black looking going on. So there you have it, even a nice new Escalade spiced up with gadgets and paint protection.
Las Palmas.
Yeah.
¿Tú sabes Las Palmas?
Yeah.
Okay. Go. I send Santos para agarrarlo para ti. And then John, you know John?
Yeah.
John, go ahorita. Show John todo. Open ese. Dice, mira,
Yeah.
everything aquí.
Okay.
Todo aquí.
Parts inside.
Everything inside there. But show him. Open.
Yeah.
Okay. On the board.
Yeah. 2020.
What? Fender?
It is a Fender.
Is it?
It's the only body of the car that's shaped like this.
Isn't that? Who is that?
Doesn't even say a word.
You know what I'm saying? It just walks out.
Traffic today.
Yeah. 4th of July weekend. I hope you guys have a great 4th of July. Don't drink and drive. And that's it.
What's up? You don't do anything and you get money?
You open the gas.
Que anda bailando sola.
Yeah, you guys, there's, most places would just give up and throw their hands in the air. But I appreciate you, working with me on this. Thank you.
No problem.
Hey, turn. Hold this. It didn't work. You know the airplane, the steering wheel of the airplane. We're going to that so we can have cars to fly.
Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. Alright? So, see you on the next one. Haha!